S-71 Blackbird reconnaissance aircraft. We retired before we understood it. Let us take one less detour, haha. It is a legendary high-altitude, high-speed strategic reconnaissance aircraft developed by the United States during the Cold War, representing the peak of aviation technology in that era. His positioning is a long-range, high-altitude, high-speed strategic reconnaissance aircraft nicknamed Blackbird. Developed by Lockheed's livestock factory, it first flew in December 1964, entered service in January 1966, and was permanently retired in 1998. A total of 32 aircraft were produced, consisting of A-type reconnaissance, B-type trainer, and other models. The maximum speed is up to Mach 3.2, about 392 kilometers per hour. Some records state that it can reach Mach 335. The use of the voice line exceeds 24,000 meters, and the highest record exceeds 26,000 meters. The fuselage material is 93% titanium alloy to cope with the surface heat of more than 500 degrees Celsius during high-speed flight. Equipped. 2 Pratt Whitney J58 engines are the first practical engines to switch between turbojet and ramjet modes. It has flown more than 4,000 missions and has never been shot down by an enemy. The S-71 achieved this feat thanks to a number of breakthrough technologies. First, the unique engine that can deform. The Pratt Whitney J58 engine is its core. At high speed, the engine switches modes, and its huge air intake cone adjusts the airflow, making the engine more like an efficient ramjet engine, thus maintaining a cruising speed of Mach 3. Second, the heat-resistant fuselage is mainly made of titanium alloy. In order to withstand the extremely high heat brought by high speed, a total of 93% of the structure is made of titanium alloy. It is very legendary that some of the titanium resources were obtained by the United States through secret channels from the Soviet Union, the main opponent at the time. Third, the advanced appearance of both high speed and stealth. The slender fuselage and delta wing design are designed for high speed. At the same time, it adopts a design that integrates internal clearing and double vertical tails to reduce radar reflections, and is regarded as one of the pioneers of stealth technology. The S-71 was mainly active during the Cold War and made great contributions to the detection of global strategic targets such as the Soviet Union, Vietnam, and the Middle East with its speed and altitude advantages. Some of the speed and altitude records, he said, have not been broken yet. He finally retired. The main reason is not obsolete but too expensive. It is reported that the cost of flying per hour is more than $85,000 US, which is quite staggering when considering inflation, and the maintenance is extremely complicated. With the development of reconnaissance satellite and drone technology, the U.S. military finally decided to retire it.